Now, r, if you can do the r, the Russian r, okay? Up and down in your range, warming up your body from the inside. Let's go. Your option is to do this. Okay, one or the other. Okay, one more time. Go high, stay on a high note. Okay, like these bikes in Brighton today. I went for a run, it was so loud. Okay, and one more thing we will do for a warm-up, and that's it. It's not really warm-up, it's just settling the voice into our body. We will go yeah, and higher and higher and higher and higher and higher, and lifting the back of our mouth and singing through the back of our mouth as if we're singing like this through the crown of our head. Yeah, open, lots of space there, lots of space around you here at your back, here on the top, just feeling that space and filling it with vibration, the vibration of your voice. Okay, let's go. Again. Down. And one last time. Okay, good. Right, here comes our tune. Did you listen to it? Different, right? For these sessions? Different. I thought, well, why not? So when I played it to Merlin, my husband, he said, I had no idea there was this kind of music in Russia in the 1920s, 1930s. We're going to la 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 through it. I'm going to show the music to you. There is one correction, and I've done it in the score on line 3, 1, 2, 3 here, where she says yes, 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 da da da. Yeah, and we will get to the da 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 later. It's slightly higher, and I've listened to the original version of the orchestra, of the Tsfasman orchestra, and corrected it right here. It's not correct in your printed version. It could have been composed like this, but you know, as always in our sessions, not everything is exact. So, ta da 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 da, ta da 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 da, ta da 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 da. We'll just go do this one more time. Your first note, 1, 2, 3, ta da 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 da, ta da 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 da, ta da 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 da. How is that? Ta da 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 da, ta da 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 da, ta da da da, da da da. Okay, and if you listen to the orchestra, they put triplets instead of 16th notes and this and that. So there is a certain amount of flexibility here. And forgive me if I don't hold to the main tune. We're going from the second phrase. Ta da 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 da. See it on the second line, second measure, second bar. Ta da da da. This E, right? 1 and 2. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da da da. Da da da. All right. I'll do this line again. Yeah. Ta da da da. From the E, second line. 1, 2, 3. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da da da. Da da da. We're going from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da da. Carry on. Da 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 da. Same thing. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, the ending, they sing as triplets, ta da 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 ta da da da. We can do it as written, ta da 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 ta 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 ta. Yeah, see this? That's line 4 into line 5. Here, ta da 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 ta 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 ta. We can do that and something else if you wish. Ta da da da. The ending from the A low A. 1, 2, 3. Ta da 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 ta 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 da. One more time. Ta da 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 ta 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 da. How is that? We're going from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da da da. Ta da da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. All right, how is that? Let me see you. Are you having fun? Having fun, right? Do you think you know it? Ta-dan, da-dan. We're just going to have fun with the tune. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ta-dan, da-dan, dan. Ta-dan, da-dan, dan. Ta-dan, da-dan, dan, dan, da-dan. Ta-da-da-dan, dan. Ta-da-da-dan, dan. Ta-da-da-dan. Da-da-dan. Ta-dan, da-dan, dan. Ta-dan, da-dan, dan. Ta-dan, da-dan, dan, 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 dan. Ta-dan, da-dan, dan. Ta-da-da-dan, dan, ta-dan, da-dan. All right, we know half of the song. Ta-ta-ta-dan-dan-dan-dan-dan. I'm going to show you the music for those visuals in front here. Frank, you are unmuted. Where are you, Frank? You're unmuted. You want to say something?
No, it's me, Carola.
All right, hello. You want to say something?
Yes?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Do you want to say something?
No.
Okay, because you're unmuted, I see it as a... Okay, I'll mute you. Back to music. So we're going from ta-ta-ta-ta-ti-ta. So you see that double line? 1, 2, 3, your third line from the top now. 1, 2, 3. Where you see the Russian text "Я ходил" here. Ooh, I've written a line that I shouldn't have done. Ta da di ta da da. See that? Da da dum. Yeah. Ta da di. B section. 1, 2. Ta da 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 da. Ta da dum ta dum dum dum. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, and ta da dum 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 da da. Ta da dum 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 dum. Ta da dum dum dum. Same thing but higher. Ta da dum 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 dum. We know it, okay? Ta da dum dum dum. Second bit is really similar. We're going from the middle section, 1, 2, 3, third line before the double bar line. Ta da da. 1, 2, 3. Ta da dum 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 da dum. Ta da dum da dum dum dum. Ta da dum da dum dum da da. Ta da dum da dum dum da. And to the end. Ta dum da dum dum. Ta dum da dum dum. Ta dum da dum 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 da dum. Ta da da dum dum. Ta da da dum 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 da dum. That's it, right? How is that? Ta da da ta da 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 da. Middle section. Ta da da dum da dum dum. Ta da ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Right? I think we know it. Let's do the whole tune all the way through. Just have fun with it, okay? Ta dum da dum. All right, ready? Ta dum da dum dum. Ta dum da dum dum. Ta dum da dum 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 da dum. Ta da da dum dum. Ta da da dum dum. Ta da da dum. Da dum 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 da 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 dum 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 da 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 dum 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 da 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 dum da 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 dum 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 da dum. All right, let's look at the music. And you read that little preamble to our session today, that jazz was forbidden, not forbidden. There was this kind of struggle whether we should allow it in Soviet Union and not allow it. There was a little opening in the end of the 20s, like with tango. We talked about tango some time ago. Very interesting combination of these kind of Western sounding tunes coming into Russia, people loving them, and at the same time them being a sign of bourgeoisie of these foreign countries and the foreign kind of the bad influence that we shouldn't be having. God forbid we're having fun in Soviet Union, no way. So, still we managed to get some really good examples of both the tango and the foxtrot and all sorts of jazzy things. And if you know Leonid Utesov, who was a kind of a TV star and a singer later in Russia, he also helped the movement quite a lot. So, тебя просил я. We're looking at the first line, here. There's quite a lot of text, and we will go slowly from the first line. I'll break each line into two, okay? I'll read it, then we read it together. And let's go. Тебя просил я. Together. Тебя просил я. Next bit. Быть на свидание. Together. Быть на свидание. Okay? Ye, it's kind of vague at the end. It's either свидание, relaxed mouth. I'll say the whole phrase all the way. 1, 2, like this. Тебя просил я. Быть на свидание. Let's go together. 1. Тебя просил я. Быть на свидание. Тебя, you. Просил, asked. You, я, me. Быть, to be. На, on. Свидание, a date, a meeting, a rendezvous, right? I asked you on a date. I asked you to meet, yeah? Next bit. Мечтал о встрече, как всегда. Okay, one more time. Мечтал о встрече, как всегда. One more time together. Мечтал о встрече, как всегда. Okay, мечтал, dreamed. О встрече, about a meeting. Встреча is a tricky word. Встреча, встреча. When we sing it, we kind of swallow the consonants, we merge them together. You almost hear встреча. Мечтала встреча, right? Otherwise it's a bit too stressful. Мечтала встреча, как, like, всегда, always, as always. I was dreaming of that meeting, I was anticipating. Let's sing these two first lines. 1, 2, 3. Тебя просила я быть на свидание. Мечтала встречи, как всегда. Next bit. Ты улыбнулась. Together. Ты улыбнулась. Next bit. Слегка смутившись. Again. Слегка смутившись. Смутившись. The verb gets into an F, mixes together. Смутившись. A really good word. Ты is you. Улыбнулась, smiled. Слегка, slightly, lightly. Смутившись. I don't really know the word abashed. Abashed. I know the word feeling shy. So I'll read this whole line now. Ты улыбнулась. Слегка, ты улыбнулась. Слегка смутившись. Together. Ты улыбнулась. Слегка смутившись. Good? Сказала да. Да. Okay? Okay? Сказала да. Да. Together. Сказала да. da, da, da. Okay, she says yes. Сказала said yes, yes, yes. Let's see if we can put it to music all the way through the verse, and I'm going to show this to you here, right? Slowly. Тебя, 1, 2, 3. Тебя просил я быть на свидание, мечтал о встрече, как всегда. Ты улыбнулась, слегка смутившись, сказала да, 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 да. Okay, let's see what happens next. He's really anticipating the meeting. С утра побрился. Together. С утра побрился. Next bit. И галстук новый. Together. И галстук новый. Okay? The whole line. С утра. 1, 2. Let's go. С утра побрился. И галстук новый. Okay? In the morning, I shaved and I put on a new tie. Галстук is a tie. Next bit. В горошек синий я надел. One more time. В горошек синий я надел. Okay? Горошек is an interesting word. Горошек comes from горох, which is peas, little peas. But горошек is polka dot. Yeah? So синий is blue. Надел, put on. I put on a tie, polka dot blue tie, right? Let's bring these two phrases together slowly. С утра, okay, 1, 2, 3. С утра побрился и галстук новый в горошек синий я надел. Next bit. Купил 3 астры. Lots of r's here for you. Купил 3 астры. Together. Купил 3 астры. Next bit. В 4 ровно. Again, lots of r's. Again, and в 4, let's go. В 4 ровно. I'll say this now. Купил 3 астры в 4 ровно. Lots of r's. And let's go. Купил 3 астры в 4 ровно. Next bit. Я прилетел. And я прилетел together. Я прилетел. I'll do this whole thing together. 1 and 2. Купил 3 астры в 4 ровно. Я прилетел. Okay, so I bought 3, you call them asters, these beautiful, I think you call them something else. Aster, this flower.
Daisies. Daisy.
Exactly, yeah, they're daisies. I bought 3 daisies, and exactly at 4 o'clock, I turned up, прилетел, I flew in, right? Now, enough torture for those who don't speak Russian, let's sing it here. You can always go back to la la la's if you want to just have fun with the tune. We'll do it a couple of times. Let's go. Тебя просил я быть на свидание, мечтала о встрече, как всегда. Ты улыбнулась, слегка смутившись, сказала да, 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 да. С утра побрился и галстук новый в горошек синий я надел. Купил 3 астры в 4 ровно я прилетел. Okay? It's quite wordy. Let me quickly look at your faces, see how you're doing. How are you doing? Coping okay? Yeah? Even Leslie is nodding. That means something. So, if there's anything important in the chat, really switch on and tell me, because I see lots happening. Oh my God, 42 messages. I can't follow that.
Love it.
Yeah, good, good. Right. Yeah, I'm glad. Let's do it one more time. Just the verse, just to have fun with it, okay? I'll show text in front of you. Ta-dam, ta-dam, right? Тебя просила я быть на свидание, мечтала о встрече, как всегда. Ты улыбнулась, слегка смутившись, сказала да, 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 да. С утра побрился и галстук новый в горошек синий я надел. Купил 3 астры, в 4 ровно я прилетел. And then goes the dialogue. He says, я ходил. Look at that, yeah? Я ходил, he says. I was walking around. I was there. Я ходил. И я ходила. For those of you who are learning Russian, this is a good exercise on gender endings. Я ходил. I was walking around. I walked. Yeah, I was there. He says, я ходила is her saying I was walking around too. И я, and I was also walking around. Let's say that line together. And я ходил. И я ходила. Okay? Next bit. Я вас ждал. И я ждала. I was waiting for you and I was waiting for you. Yeah? He says it and she ждала was waiting for him. Say it together. Я and я вас ждал. И я ждала. Next bit. Я был зол. И let's stop it here. Я был зол. Okay? Let's go. Я был зол. I was angry, and for the sake of melody, there is a different word that she says. И я сердилась. Сердилась. We talk about сердце very often. Сердце is the heart. Сердилась doesn't have an exact direct connection, but it's actually being kind of upset in the heart. Сердилась. I was angry. She was angry too. So I'll say that line all the way. Okay? Я был зол, и я сердилась. Okay? Again. 1, 2. Я был зол, и я сердилась. Next bit. Я ушел, и я ушла. And I went. So did I. And I went too. Я ушел. Last line. Я ушел, и я ушла. Let's bring this together, that B section, that middle section. Я ходил, see it here. Ooh, just before the double line, can you see it? Я ходил here in the 1, 2, 3, 4th line from the bottom, 3rd line from the top. Я ходил, я 1, 2. Я ходил, и я ходила, я вас ждал, и я ждала. Я был зол, и я сердилась. Я ушел, и я ушла. Okay, one more time. 1, 2. Я ходил, и я ходила. Я вас ждал, и я ждала. Я был зол, и я сердилась. Я ушел, и я ушла. Та-дам-да-дам-дам, та-дам-да-дам-дам, та-дам-да-дам-дам-дам-да-дам. Та-дам-да-дам-дам, та-дам-да-дам-дам-та-дам-там. That's it. That's all we have to go to. That's the last extra bit there. We know what happens in the end of this story, right? Before we do, let's go from the beginning all the way to there. All right? I'm trying to slow down, but I'm not managing very well. It's so much in my head with that fast tempo. Right, I'll show you this whole bit. We will sing all the way to Я ушла, I went away, and then we read the ending. Тебя просил, see that? Top line from the top. 1, 2, let's go. Тебя просил я быть на свидание, мечтала встречи, как всегда. Ты улыбнулась, слегка смутившись, сказала да, 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 да. С утра побрился и галстук новый в горошек синий я надел. Купил 3 астры, в 4 ровно я прилетел. Я ходила, и я ходила, я вас ждал, и я ждала. Я была зола, и я сердилась. Я ушел, и я ушла. So she went. Let's see what happens at the end. Мы были оба. Again. Мы были оба. Again. Мы были оба. We were there. We were both there. Yeah. It's not exact the translation. Мы is we. Были were оба both. We were both. Implying we were both there. Next bit. Я у аптеки. Again. Я у аптеки. Me by the pharmacy, right? By the chemist. Я у аптеки, she says. No, he says. And then she says, а я в кино искала вас. Together and let's go. А я в кино искала вас. And me in cinema were searching for you. I was searching for you in cinema, right? And by the way, the вас, yeah, for those of you who speak Russian very well, but not native speakers, вас should be with a capital V here. Вас, you, like in English, can be used for you as a singular and you as a plural. And usually in plural, in singular, we also have the to form, yeah, right? Like the singular, more familiar, like somebody more familiar to you. But вас is a bit more respectful and distant. And in that case, we write vas with a capital V. And I think one time here, it's not spelled correctly. It should be with a capital V somewhere, vas somewhere else, but it should be with a capital V. Yeah, Leslie, what?
Я вас ждал in the dialogue.
Yes, я вас ждал here in the second line here. It should be a capital V, right? For some reason in the I just copied it from the score. I was wrong.
Polina, why does it shift? It goes back and forth between informal and formal. Тебя, ты, and then
It's
вы.
funny, isn't it? I also looked at that. Look at the very first line. Тебя просил я. Yeah, so we have тебя, which is referring, he is talking to her in that kind of singular, very familiar kind of way, like something you would use with your relative, with a young child, and then it goes to вы. I don't know. Maybe there's a kind of shift in their relationship.
Are they vacillating between being annoyed at each other and still trying to warm up to each other and be,
Possibly.
you know, yeah, okay.
Possibly. And you know that in Russian culture, there is it's very interesting subject, these tus and vus, this вы and ты. I use ты with my parents, with my friends, with my close friends. I use вы with my uncle and aunt. I use вы with a lot of, I always use вы with teachers, children use, and students use вы. At universities, students and teachers refer to each other using вы. And my parents, my mother used вы, the respectful form, with her parents, interestingly. And some of you know Yefim Chorny and Susanna Gerges in Moldova, they're Yiddish singers. They use вы between themselves. and they're a couple. So it's a really interesting shiftable thing. And living in the West, I'm confused sometimes about these with and tis, because you meet someone and they start using ti with you. It's interesting. Yeah, for those of you learning Russian. So where are we? We're at the end here. So искала вас, we've done that. So we have the last 2 lines to go. Listen, and now. Так значит завтра. Again. Так значит завтра. So, well, tomorrow. Then tomorrow. Yeah, say it again. 1, 2, let's go. Так значит завтра. Next bit. На том же месте. Again. На том же месте. In the same place. At the same place. В тот же час. Again. В тот же час. Same time, same place. You see where it it's going? Right? Мы были оба. Let's look at that and see if we can sing it without looking at the music, just to practice slowly. 1, 2, 3. Мы были оба. Я у аптеки, а я в кино искала вас. Так значит завтра на том же месте в тот же час. Okay? And then it goes again. The orchestra plays this whole big musical interlude and they go back to Я ходила, я ходила. How are you doing? Let's do the whole thing. Ready? Ready? Let's do it. Let's enjoy the song. We may speed up gradually. Maybe sing through it 2 or 3 times. Yeah, see where it takes us. Тебя просил, okay? Let's go. Тебя просил я быть на свидание. Мечтала встрече, как всегда. Ты улыбнулась, слегка смутившись, сказала да, 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 да. С утра побрился и галстук новый в горошек синий я надел. Купил 3 астры, в 4 ровно я прилетел. И я ходила, я вас ждал, и я ждала. Я была зола, и я сердилась. Я ушел, и я ушла. Мы оба были, мы в аптеке, а я в кино искала вас. Так значит завтра на том же месте в тот же час. Я ходил, и я ходила, я вас ждал, и я ждала. Я была зола, и я сердилась. Я ушел, и я ушла. Мы оба были в аптеке. Я в кино искала вас. Так значит завтра на том же месте в тот же час. We're going to do the whole thing. 1, 2, 3. Тебя просила я быть на свидание. Мечтала о встрече, как всегда. Ты улыбнулась, слегка смутившись, сказала да, я ушел, и я ушла. Мы были оба, я у аптеки, а я в кино искала вас. Так значит завтра на том же месте в тот же час. Otazoid. There we go. What do you think? We will do it one more time. I want to see your faces. How is that? How was that? Fun, eh? Right. Next time I'm bringing you the complete opposite. I'm bringing you a folk song. I'm debating between a wedding song or a lyrical song. So it'll be something very Russian sounding. Okay. So, but this is an interesting step to the side. So yes, Russian jazz, Russian foxtrot, Russian everything. We did have everything, right? So yeah, Iron Curtain, but still. Yeah, any questions, anything, any comments? Because we're going to go into it again. Hey, all good? All right, all happy? Okay, good. I don't really have any announcements apart from one is that next week we're going back to our usual timing because Britain, we are moving, and I think the whole of Europe are moving into the summertime. So for Americans and people on that side of the world, it'll be, what are we talking? It's whatever, just check your time difference, right? Yeah. And Britain is always the same. Okay, let's do it. Oh yeah, wait. Let's just start with just la-la-laing it. Okay, let's la-la-la. Okay. Ready? La da 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 Просила я быть на свидание, мечтала встречи, как всегда. Ты улыбнулась, словно размутившись, сказала да, 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 да. С утра побрившись, и галстук новый в горошек синий я надел. Купил 3 астры, в 4 ровно я прилетел. Я ходил, я ходила, я вас ждал, и я ждала. Я был зол, и я сердилась. Я ушел, и я ушла. Мы были оба, я у аптеки, а я в кино искала вас. Так значит завтра на том же месте в тот же час. Second half of the song with text. Я ходил, и я ходила, я вас ждал, и я ждала. Я был зол, и я сердилась. Я ушел, и я ушла. Мы были оба, я у аптеки, а я в кино искала вас. Так значит завтра на том же месте в тот же час. час. Тебя просила я быть на свидание, мечтал о встрече, как всегда. Ты улыбнулась, слегка смутившись, сказала да, 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 да. С утра побрился, и галстук новый, в горошек синий я надел. Купил 3 астры, в 4 ровно я прилетел. Я ходил, и я ходила, я вас ждал, и я ждала. Я был зол, и я сердилась, я ушел, и я ушла. Мы были оба, я у аптеки, а я в кино искала вас. Так значит завтра на том же месте в тот же час. We have another minute, let's just have fun. Ta-dan-da-dan, ta-dan-da-da-dam, ta-dan-da-dam, 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 ta-dan-dam, ta-dan-da-dam, 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 Так значит завтра на том же месте в тот же час. В тот же час. Okay. Fun song, isn't it? Yeah, what do you think? Thank you very much, everyone, for coming today. I hope you enjoyed that unusual bit of...
That was
Yeah.
great.
Oh,
I
amazing.
agree.
Amazing.
And
Great.
you're telling me you love Russian music?
Thank you.
Yeah, all right. So I guess that's it for today. Та-да, на том же месте, в тот же час. Same hour, same place, okay? Вместе, в тот же
Same time,
час.
same place. By the chemist.
By the on Zoom. On Zoom. Okay, keep well, everyone. Bye.
Bye.